Hi to everyone. Yes, the cat says hello to everyone. Hi, shout out to everyone. Justin Bieber. Ayan, Danilo de Navarro. Opo, bagong money lang po ako. Last June lang po. Yes, wow, June. Oh my goodness. Oh my gulay, June. July. Oh my God. Big time na si Sir Danilo. So, that Justin Bieber is in the house. So, Justin, wow, 49.3 million subscribers. Thank you, Mr. Justin Bieber, for coming to my live streaming today. Thank you so much. Ayan, nandiyan din si may titang Malantas. Ayan, Enrique Hill. So, ayan. Ano kaya to si Justin Bieber? Si Justin Bieber. Ayan. Bro, Cycling, tingnan mo. Puro bigatin ang nandito sa akin, no? Puro artista. Ayan na, may Hollywood star pa. Nandiyan si, Justin Bieber. Hello, Justin Bieber. How you doing? Ayan, Enrique L. and Lisa Sobrano still here. Thank you. So, ayan guys. Ayan. Ayan nga, artista nga, diba? Ayan, may Lisa Sobrano, may Enrique L. Wala pa si Coco Martin. Wala pa. Wow, artista, sabi ni Mr. Danilo de Navarro. Wow, artista. Sabi ni Titang Malantas at Danilo de Navarro, dikit na ako sa'yo, pakibalik na lang. Pakibalik na lang. Bro, Cycling, o nga sis, bigating kaya nga. Ayan, Filipina Swedish vlog. Sis, bye muna ako ha. Kay BC. Yes po, thank you so much for the VG Mama Filipina Swedish vlog. Thank you for the support. Maraming salamat. Ayan. From Erico Dico Vlog, salamat Sleepy Nami, pasok na maaga bukas. Yes, Ma'am Erico Dico, thank you so much po. At least magtatapos na din ako. Extend ko lang po ng konti. Magtapos na din po naman ako. So maraming salamat sa inyo. Ayan, from Mr. Danilo Navarro. Thank you, Titang Malantas. From Ma'am Ikudiko, salamat sa lahat. Yeah, see you next LS, sabi ni Ma'am Filipina Swedish vlog. Yes, Ma'am, thank you. Thank you to all of you guys for the support and my pleasure na nandito kayo sa aking live streaming today. Ayan, so Bro Cycling at Justin Bieber, shout out. Ayan, tingnan mo, dinalaw ako ni Justin Bieber. Okay, BG, hanggang matapos kayo, host. Yes po, matatapos na ako. I-extend ko lang ng 2 minutes pa. So, I'll extend my live stream for 2 minutes, guys. So, I have to end my live stream. And see you again on my next live stream tomorrow. Okay? Ayan, totoong siya yun. Kaya nga, di ba? 49.3 million. Ayan, totoong siya yun. Kaya nga, di ba? Tiningnan ko kasi yung niya. Ayan, Sabi niya, does the cat says hi to everyone? Sabi niya. So, thank you so much, Mr. Justin Bieber, for visiting me on my live stream. Talaga, I'm so happy to see you. So, ang talaga niya is 49.3 million subscribers. So, meaning, siya nga yun. Sabi nila, siya nga yun. Ayan. Salamat, sis. Bukas ulit ha. Yes, thank you. Okay, host, thanks at sa lahat. Yes. Si Titang Malantas, magkita po ulit tayo bukas. Medyo na late lang kayo ng konti ni Mr. Danilo de Navarro, but still, we have our live streaming tomorrow at 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. ako mag-start. Makikita nyo naman, nakabel ako sa inyo. So, maraming salamat po at God bless us all. And Mr. Justin Bieber, thank you for visiting me on my live streaming. Dad Eddie TV, hello, thank you to you. Maraming salamat dahil sa walang sawang pagsuporta. Also to Ma'am Filipina Swedish Vlog, Ma'am Eco Deco 20, thank you. Thank you to my CC, Gara Dishes with Love, Gandang Honey, and Darna Alec OFW UAA. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Have a good night to all of us. And God bless us all. Thank you. And for now, may I say goodbye for now. See you again tomorrow. Goodbye, everyone. I love you all.